Hey guys, I got some awesome news again. Surprise, surprise! We got another surprise from doTERRA, and that is another BOGO week coming up Monday, which is super cool. I think that's what we need, a lot of us. Some encouragement, some fun stuff in our life. And doTERRA is amazing at their timing. So especially with the oils that they're providing for us. Plus, they are doing something for the first time, which is really, really cool. And that is they're doing a BOGO box, which means for the whole week, which is 5 days of BOGOs, which means buy one, get one free. What they're doing is they're putting all in one. So that's what it means, BOGO box. And that means you can get all the deals in one box, in one order, which is so cool, you guys. It will save you a lot of money of shipping. Plus, a lot of people like to get all the oils. They like to get all the deals, right? So they would have to order every single day. This way you do one order on Monday and everything comes into your home at once, which is amazing. Plus, it's a pretty much guarantee. You are pretty much guaranteed that you're gonna get all that deals, right? Instead of, sometimes if you're trying to get the deals, you have to do it first thing in the morning because later on in the day they usually sell out. So this way you have a chance to get your oils first. You pay one shipping, which is awesome. So if you're in Canada, order, you pay $5.99 for your shipping instead of paying $25 to almost $30 for every day if you want to do your BOGOs. So this is amazing, amazing. Plus, the savings you get are incredible. So the BOGO box consists of you buying 5 oils. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 5 oils, and then you get 7 oils for free, which is crazy. Not 5 oils for free, but you actually get 7 oils for free. It's crazy. So the box itself costs 256 Canadian dollars, plus taxes, plus the shipping, $5.99 if you do Canadian one, and it saves you $240. Woohoo! Awesome. So, so this is just amazing way doTERRA tries to help us too. So it's amazing. That's not the only way you do get your BOGOs though, buy one get one free, because if you don't want to buy all of the deals, you can also buy separate, like we always did. So Monday you get your BOGO, or Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever you need, that's when you can get your BOGOs too. So you don't have to get the BOGO box, but I know a lot of people like to get all the buy one get one free deals. So this is amazing. You get it one in one shot. Don't have to spend money on shipping, right? So it's amazing. So the 5 oils that doTERRA wants us to buy is Serenity Blend. Then we have Spearmint. Then we have Frankincense Touch, which is a roller bottle. So it's frankincense with fractionated coconut oil. Then we have Rose Touch. It's 10 ml roller bottle too, which is amazing. And then we have Citrus Bloom, I believe it is. So these are the 5 oils that doTERRA gave us. These are the ones you have to purchase. And then the 7 oils that we get for free. We're not sure what they are. So it's like another surprise. Ta-da! I mean, every day you will find out what the oils are. So it's great. They did let us know the Monday deal though. So if you do buy Serenity Blend, you will get Balance Blend. Amazing. I love Balance. So these 2 blends are absolutely amazing, and I think they're really helpful for all of us right now, especially if you're dealing with a little bit of stress, anxiety, having problems sleeping. These 2 oils are incredible. So Serenity Blend has lavender in there, so you can apply it on your temples, behind your ears. You can apply on the back of your neck, on the bottom of your feet. You can apply it on your wrist, and it just gives you that relaxation, that calming sensation. It's amazing. amazing to diffuse when you go to sleep, or apply it on the bottom of your feet. Amazing to relax you and to help you with your sleep. And then the balance is really grounding. I love the balance smell. It's amazing. So I like to use it as a perfume, actually. I love that smell. I love diffusing it. I love what it does to my emotions. Like, it's emotional blend. Like I said, it's really balances your emotions. Like, it's amazing. So it's great for diffusing. Like I say, I use it as deodorant. You can apply it on your wrists. These two oils, it's something that we need right now, I think. And so it's amazing. So this is the Monday BOGO. So with this BOGO box, like I said, it's crazy because you get all the oils, one shipment. So it saves you a lot of money of shipping. It's a amazing deal. Plus, you are pretty much guaranteed the oils in your home. You don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and putting the order for the next days to make sure you get the oils before they sell out. If you have a membership, it's great. All you have to do is just add those five oils, 5 blends into your shipping order, and then the 7 oils will automatically be added into your account, and they'll be shipped to your home. If you don't have a membership, you will actually have to purchase that separate. So, and which is $42 Canadian. But with that, you will also get your peppermint essential oil for free, which you will love, and it's a must. I use this oil every day. I run out fast from this oil because I carry it with me everywhere. I diffuse it every day. I apply it every day. I use it pretty much throughout the day. So you will love that. So, and that is worth about $35. It pretty much balances, so your membership pretty much becomes free. After 12 months, doTERRA will renew your membership. If you like or not, you can cancel anytime. No questions asked. But if after 12 months, they renew your membership again, but it won't be $42 anymore. It's going to be $30. And you still get the peppermint shipped to your house for free. So it's free membership, really. There's no strings attached with your membership. You don't have to purchase oils. You can buy 1 oil a year. There's no strings attached to it. You can cancel at any time. So it's amazing to have membership because instead of the retail price, you pay the wholesale price. Plus, you get points back on your account for your shipping. So your shipping becomes free. It's just win-win situation. There's no other way to purchase oils through doTERRA but through having your own membership. Plus, with that, you can order your oils whenever you want to. So it's a win-win situation. You can go wrong with that. So you can also purchase these oils. You don't need membership if you don't like to have one. But you will have to pay the 25% more on this BOGO deal, or on the oils if you do it them daily. So, and if you have questions about the membership, email me, comment on the bottom, message me. I would love to help you get your membership even before Monday. This way, on Monday, you just, first thing in the morning, you just do your order by yourself and everything's set for you. So it just makes it easier and faster, but if not, you can do it all at once if you like. So if you have any questions, please comment on the bottom. I would love to help you because that's the only way to buy doTERRA oils to get the best deals is through membership. Like I said, there's no strings attached. You don't have to buy oils every day. There's nothing tricky about it, and you can cancel anytime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited for this BOGO week. I was hoping you will get one, and there it is. Ta-da! So I love it, and every day I will try to maybe make a video. If not a video, make a post about the BOGO deals, how to use the oils for what, just to give you more knowledge how to use them. And yeah, so I'll see you guys Monday, and happy BOGO. Thanks, guys.